Sanibingelela Maswati Lamahle. My name is Vumile Mavimbela, and welcome to the very first episode of EduCast. This is a space where learning institutions get the mic and the spotlight. Namuhla ngihamba na Goodwill Ngabinde, all the way from UTech in Big Bend. Sitokuva-ke ukuthi usiphatheleni about UTech College. Siyakwemukela Baba Ngabinde.
And thank you, Vumile, and thank you for having us here.
Ninjani kunjani kushisa le ndazi?
It's summer, all the blessings. Yeah.
Okay. Asesive ke Baba ukuthi Big Bend yatiwa ukuthi UTech is the biggest school in Big Bend. How about you explain to us the relationship between UTech and Ubombo Sugar Limited?
Well, first by starting, we honored to be part of this very first podcast, and UTech College is part of a community of schools known as Ubombo School Trust. We have a number of schools such as Ubombo Pre-Primary School, Ubombo Primary School, Sisekelo High, UTech High, and then UTech College. So I'm representing the college namuhla. As you know, there have been some noise about the change of programs and stuff. Yes, Ubombo School Trust is run under the founder, which is Ubombo Sugar. That's our founder. So, having been in the industry for so many years, Barry realized that they need to venture into education, to put the effort into education as well. So, UTech College was founded in 1996. So, we are doing 30 years.
Oh, wow.
So
that's a milestone.
Yeah. So you can actually see the number of professionals that's a Kishi Welapa. Initially, we are running the NATED program from the Department of Higher Education Council in South Africa. So it is now that we have changed to localize the program into ESHEC approved programs.
Speaking of ESHEC,
yeah,
I heard there's something happening. What happened? Tell us more about the accreditation that happened recently.
Yeah, thank you. We've been going through a number of assessments and accreditation processes by ESHEC. Yaqala nje ngile institutional assessment, which ibuka le institution as a whole ukuthi ime kanjani in terms of complying with the Higher Education Act. And then we also had the program accreditation as well. So each of those programs, we were evaluated to see if they meet the required standards. So we've passed that process, and we've been accredited and given full registration as an institution as well. 3 programs have been accredited at diploma level. We have the diploma in data science. We have a diploma in IT. So any more specializations lang two, which is cybersecurity and networking, kanye software engineering. And then we also have a diploma in electrical engineering with electronics and the power system as majors. Currently, sesivulile applications at UTech, and we'll be taking a number of students into our system. So for a high school level, you need 4 credits, which include a credit in maths and science, and then at least a pass in English. We also have what is known as the recognition of prior learning for those who are from industry and bebasebenda or have other qualifications from other institutions.
Yeah.
So we also evaluate that and sabatata nabo. So we can urge the public, you would see, and our prospective student to apply. And if batting more information, they can contact the college. You can also log into our website. It's utechcollege.ac.sz, where you can download the forms, or you can fill them in. There's a portal, an admission portal, where you can just fill in the information, but guide.
Thank you so much, Baba Ngabinde. I think that's very insightful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for for sharing this information with us. I hope lava bugelago bayayithola information nge-UTech. And of course, if you want to enroll at UTech, you can check their socials, you can apply physically, you can visit, and then you can study there. Siyabonga.